Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Solve the following. Convert 8,77,958 deciliter to liter. Now we know 1 deciliter equal to 1 by 10 liters. So we can say 8,77,958 deciliters equal to 8,77,958 divided by 10 liters. And when any whole number is divided by 10, when we convert it to decimal number, what we do? We simply put a decimal point one digit from right side. So that will be 87,795.8 liters. So this is the required conversion.